Transfer money between Chime and other bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna show you the ways to transfer money between Chime and other bank. So in order to transfer money, you'll have to first of all log into your account. When you're logged into your account, then you wanna go ahead and tap on Move Money. When you click on Move Money, next thing you wanna do is transfer and click on Add Money. Once you do that, enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer. As soon as you've done that, you could either go ahead and link a debit card or you could manually type in one. So when you're done entering the information of the bank account, click on Add at the bottom of the page. And when you do that, you'll be able to see the summary page where you could go and review all of the information and click on Confirm Transaction or Transfer. With this, you'll have successfully transferred money or move money between Chime and other bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.